कर दिया start. Hello friends, today I am here to show you what is the actual difference between the original product of Samsung and what is the use of refurbished phone in the phone. Uh, I strongly recommended that do not use the Chinese phone because if you will see the Chinese phone, then it will be very defective piece they are selling in the market with the Thames pocket. Now I am here to show to you. So this is the actually Chinese phone we have already opened. This is the S6. So you can see that in this phone you are seeing this is the charging section, okay, and this is your network section. You can see closely it here. This is the network section. In network section, this is your RFIC which transmit the signals and receives the signals, okay, and this is your RFIC, and all these are the components you can see. Now you can see in the whole motherboard, this is S6 phone. So in this whole motherboard, we not be able to see any branded companies like this is your power IC. If you closely look on this power IC, it is unbranded because maximum power IC comes of the brand of Hynix and RFIC, which is the most important part of the drive test. So this is the RFIC, and you can see these are also non-branded ICs. If you can see closely on these ICs, so these are also unbranded ICs because mostly the RFIC is a branded of Hynix, Qualcomm, Snapdragon. These kinds of ICs are coming in the market. Now see, while I have opened this one, this whole motherboard, what I have to be analyze while I have to be open, you can see this motherboard. Just wait, I am just opening this one. You can see this is your CPU part. This is your eMMC. Mostly the phone works on the eMMC, that is phone software support. Okay, and now you can see there are many capacitors which are pasted capacitors. You can see there is a pasted ICs and pasted capacitors in the market. And in whole motherboard you can see there are a lot of jumpers. You can see this is one is a jumper, okay. So this one jumper is placed here nearby the network section. It means while you are nearby the BTS, the signal will boost up, and while you go just away from the BTS, then it will fluctuate the signals. So the main purpose is to put these jumpers nearby the RFIC to only the boost signals. But if you go to the company's phones, it will be not recommended. Okay, now next thing I will show to you. I already shows to you. You can see the pasted ICs are there. Whole the ICs are non-branded. If I will go to the RF section, there is all unbranded companies of the phone. Now the next important thing is that while I have to be put this motherboard I have placed properly. Now I am just going to be the charge this motherboard, okay. Now the main problem, while I have to be charge this motherboard, see this is I am just fixing this motherboard. Now while I have placed the charger, see this is the charger. I am placing this in the charging jack. Now see, I am placing the charging jack. Now see, this is I am placing the charging jack in the phone. I have placed the charging jack. Now I want to check the voltage. Actually, while I have placed my hand at here, I have see that all the components going to be heated. Now my first priority is that I have to be check the whatever the voltage this multimeter is taking while I have plugged the charger in this. This is very important. Now I will check the multimeter voltage. I have placed the 20 voltage at here because normally your phone's battery takes only 4 volts. Its maximum voltage is 4.4. Now I have placed the charger. Now I will check the actual voltage coming through this charger in the phone. Now one probe I have to be grounded. I have placed one probe into the grounded and check the actual voltage nearby the capacitor. Nearby the capacitor. Just wait, it is not charging up still, but I will place again. Now switch is not on, so that's the problem. Now just wait. It is not properly connected, so it is not showing any kind of voltage, but I will show. The refurbished phone is also dangerous to life because the phone battery capacity is 4 volt. If it will exceed will be the 4 volt, then all the networks components will be heated and you can get the electric shock. Okay, and all the networks components will goes to heated up, and it will creates the problems while you are doing the drive test. Okay, while you have to be check the networks parameter like RF signals and RF radio parameters, RX level, RX quality, frame error rate, all the components will be shows to another values, because you can check these all are unbranded ICs, unbranded capacitors, all the components going to be heated up while you have to be place the charger. Now I am touching this phone and battery, this phone is going to be heated up. Now see, I am checking the actual voltage. Now this phone is going to be charging up. Now I am seeing the voltage. What's the actual voltage taking this one phone? Now I have placed one probe is on the ground and another is this one. Now you can see on the multimeter. Now you can see on the multimeter. You see this phone is taking 8 volt. Now see, one probe is I have to be grounded and one place I have. You can see in the multimeter, it is taking 8 volts, fluctuations volt. Now you can see according to the phone property, according to the Samsung, if any one phone takes will be the above 4 volt, it will be burst up. Now you can see in this phone, I have to take one probe on a ground and another one is on a capacitor where I have placed the capacitor. Now you can see 8.76 voltage. It means whatever the components it will be placed, all are the faulty. Once the 8.7 voltage comes through these components, all ICs will be heated up and they will be damage your phone. Now for your reference, I will place some glues. This is only a paste to check up what is the actual the things is going on. While I have placed the paste on these ICs, you can see I have put the paste on these ICs and it will be melt soon. You can see it will be going to be melted up. It will be going to be melted up. If you check closely, this is your power IC. Power IC is the main also component, because through this power IC all components will take the supply. Now why I have placed the glue on this power IC, you can see that glue is not going to be standard on this ICs. All the components going to be heated up. Now it shows what? Once it will take 8 volt supplying to the network section, and you can see these are the jumpers. These are the jumpers placed by the charging section. It means while you are nearby the BTS, it will show a good signal, but while you have to go away, this will show the bad signal. Now see, this is the first phone. This is the refurbished phone. So I already told to you, if this phone taking the 8 volt, it will give a good electric shock to you and it is very dangerous to you. Now see this phone. This is also S5 phone ICs. You can see all the components are refurbished. All are the pasted ICs. All the paste will be, glue will be pasted on each and every one ICs. See, now these are the jumpers. These jumpers are placed nearby the RF section. It will heat up the phone. This is also a S5 phone. Comes for the repair. You can see everyone ICs are pasted. Everyone ICs are pasted. This everyone EMMC is pasted. Everyone these are the pasted. Now I am showing to the original. What is the difference between the original? Now see, this is the S7H, purely bought from the Samsung store. Now you can see. This. You can see. If I will open this motherboard, I can show to you. If I will open this one motherboard and this one motherboard. Now see, I am going to open this motherboard. Now see, this motherboard is the actual original of Samsung, because it looks like a very professional work, or this is the refurbished motherboard. You see, every components will be opened and pasted. Now you can see in this motherboard all components will be covered by the Samsung, and in this phone no one will be covered. If it is from the Samsung, it is purely written of which company branded it is. This is SMG 935 FD. It means it comes from the Samsung phones. Now you can see that phone is very clear, board is very clear. Now you can see this is the refurbished phone buys from the China. It is all pasted ICs, and it will be heated up. I already shows to you in this phone. In this phone you can see these are the heated, and all the glue will be melted up while you have to place the charging, and it will takes 8 volt while you have to be while you have to be checked through the multimeter. It will take 8 volts, so it is useless. So this is the original motherboard. All the things had to be written up at here, and this is your RF section. It will be actually, this is the original motherboard, so I just can't be open this, but you can look like that. This is the original. The motherboard configuration is written at here. Okay, it will be covered by the Samsung. So this is the actual difference. So you can see if the phone will be taking 8 volt through the charging section, what will be happen to the another components. Your phone will be heated up, it will be blasted also, and very bad things. All the components will going to be heated up. I will show to you again here. Once I place the charger at here, I have placed the charger at here. I have placed the charger at here. These are the Chinese playing very smart game with the peoples, because no one knows what they actually are doing. You can see once I have placed the charger, all the components will be heated up, and while I have touched this personally, all power ICs, network section, all components are heated up, and it will be melted up. Now you can see this is S6 motherboard. This is unbranded. There is nothing brand will come. This motherboard cost, if you will go to this now, see this phone is powering on, going to be power on, but this is a refurbished. How I have to be analyzed, because it will take 8 volt from here. 8 volt supply goes to the RFs, your power ICs, then power IC send the voltage to the network ICs, and network IC, while I have put the glue over here, it will be melted up, and this is the jumper placed nearby the network section only to the boost the signals. So this is the unprofessionals, and I don't know why people are buying these cheap products. If you go to the local market and make this motherboard, because they just swap the motherboard, they are just copy the motherboard within 5 minutes. It will cost to them only $50 or $40, because I have some people's from here who's just going to there. They will say this phone cost is $40, and if they will be insert the Thames pocket in this phone, then this this phone they will be costed with $50 or $60. Okay, and that people are selling to you in $300, $350, and they will earn many things. So we are now, see, you can see all the components are heated up once I have placed the charger here at here. So it is my recommendations. If you use the refurbished product, your all parameters will be invalid, all parameters will be changes abruptly, everything will be changed abruptly. So it is my hard request, do not use the refurbished phone, otherwise you will your customer will be not happy from you. And if you will do the drive test through this refurbished motherboard, then RX level nearby the BTS shows to you -70 dBm, but while you have to go from the BTS, then your RX value, RX quality value, TA value, frame error rate, all will changes abruptly. And while you have to post process these logs on the on Thames Discovery or Actix, it will show a very bad signal. So customer will be analyze all these things. So it is my hardly requested to just avoid the refurbished things, buy the original products like this. This is your also a S5 motherboards. You see it is a very original, all the components are covered up, and this is, I already shows to you, S7 motherboard also. S7 motherboard is I think this is S7 motherboard also, not S6. So these are the original, because original gives you good revenue, but if you go to the drive test through these refurbished products looks very new, because they will change all the components. This is the phone comes from one of the customers from India to repair me, but while I have opened this, you can see what is the status. This is all the glue, pasted ICs, motherboard is refurbished. So I am just do not use these products, because you can see at here 8 voltage is coming, and if it will be exceeded, and you will got the electric shock. So it is overall. Thank you.